So friends, welcome to my channel. If your iPhone shows SOS only, so guys watch this video till end because I'm showing in this video why SOS only problem is coming on your iPhone and what is the solution of this problem. So the solution is, firstly, you have to open your iPhone settings, and at the bottom of the setting you have to click on the transfer or reset iPhone option. After clicking on transfer or reset iPhone option, you have to clicking on reset button in this setting, and after clicking on this reset button, there are many options will be available. After clicking on reset, you have to select reset network settings. After clicking on reset button, in this option list you have only click on the reset network settings, and after clicking on this reset network settings button, you have to enter your passcode. Yes guys, you have to enter your iPhone passcode here, and after entering your passcode in this enter your passcode option, and after entering your passcode, you have to clicking on the reset network settings for the second time, and after clicking on this reset network settings button, your network settings will be reset. Yes guys, this is the last step, reset network settings button, and after clicking on reset network setting button, now restart your device, and after restarting your device, this SOS only problem will be fixed in your iPhone or any device. And if this is a server issue, so guys you have to wait for some time. Do like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.